In this video, we present a quick, inspiring profile of the top 10 IAS toppers of UPSC 2024. Shakti Dubey, All India Rank 1 in the UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, hails from Naini, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Her father, Devendra Kumar Dubey, is a sub-inspector in the Uttar Pradesh Police and her mother is a homemaker. Despite her background in biochemistry degree from Allahabad University and PG from Banaras Hindu University, she chose political science and international relations as her optional subject. She secured the top rank in her sixth attempt. Harshita Goyal, securing All India Rank 2 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, hails from Hisar, Haryana, and was raised in Vadodara, Gujarat. Her father, Govind Goyal, works in a private company. Harshita lost her mother to cancer a decade ago. She completed her degree in commerce from Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, became a chartered accountant, and chose political science and international relations as her optional subject. After 2 unsuccessful attempts, she succeeded in her third attempt, reaching the mains and interview stages. Dongre Archit Parag, All India Rank 3 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, hails from Pune, Maharashtra. He completed his schooling in Mumbai and pursued degree in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from VIT, Vellore. After a year in the information technology sector, he resigned to focus on UPSC preparation. In his first attempt in 2023, Archit achieved AIR 153 and later secured All India Rank 3 in his second attempt, choosing philosophy as his optional subject. Shah Margi Chirag, securing All India Rank 4 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, hails from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. She graduated with computer engineering from Lalbhai Dalpatbhai College of Engineering. Her father, Chirag Shah, passed away in 2017 and her mother is a private school teacher. Margi chose sociology as her optional subject and achieved this feat in her fifth attempt, showcasing resilience and determination in her journey. Don't miss these 1000 questions repeated and reinforced by top 12 IAS institutes as the most probable for prelims 2025. Mock test 1 is free. Link in description. Akash Garg, who secured All India Rank 5 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, hails from Northwest Delhi. He completed his schooling at CRPF Public School, Delhi, and pursued degree in computer science from Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology, Rohini. Akash chose sociology as his optional subject and attempted the UPSC exam twice. In his second attempt in 2024, he secured AIR 5, achieving his dream of joining the civil services. Komal Punya, who secured All India Rank 6 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, hails from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and is the daughter of a farmer. Komal completed her schooling at NC Jindal Public School in Delhi. She pursued a bachelor's degree in political science and a master's in urban sociology from Delhi University. Komal joined IPS in her second attempt but resigned to pursue her true aspiration of becoming an IAS officer. Ayushi Bansal, securing All India Rank 7 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, hails from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. She completed her schooling at Delhi Public School, RK Puram, New Delhi, and graduated in Electrical Engineering from IIT Kanpur. Ayushi worked at McKinsey & Company before resigning in 2020 to pursue her dream of joining the IAS. She opted for sociology as her optional subject and achieved this feat in her third attempt. Raj Krishna Jha, securing All India Rank 8 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, hails from Athri Panchayat, Bihar. Currently serving as Assistant Manager at HPCL in Kolhapur, Maharashtra, he has a degree in Mechanical Engineering and over 7 years of professional experience. Raj dedicated 3 to 4 hours daily and 12 to 14 hours on weekends to his UPSC preparation. He utilized AI tools like ChatGPT to improve his essay writing skills and succeeded in his fifth attempt. Aditya Vikram Agrawal, securing All India Rank 9 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, hails from Bahadurgarh, Haryana. He completed his degree in Mechanical Engineering from MNNIT, Prayagraj, and worked at Tata Motors for a year. Aditya attempted UPSC 5 times, reaching the interview stage 3 times. He chose anthropology as his optional subject and achieved success in his fifth attempt, demonstrating perseverance and dedication to his civil services dream. Mayank Tripathi, securing All India Rank 10 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2024, hails from Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh. He completed his schooling at Hindu College, Delhi University, and earned a degree in mathematics. Mayank attempted UPSC twice, achieving a rank of 337 in his first attempt and being selected for IRS. In his second attempt, he cleared the UPSC exam with anthropology as his optional subject, marking his success in his UPSC journey. Don't miss these 1000 questions repeated and reinforced by top 12 IAS institutes as the most probable for prelims 2025. Mock test 1 is free. Link in description.